So the requirement in terms of content is that you have all the content, and this includes any videos that you decide that you will make yourself, or animations for that matter. But if you don't have the videos created yet at the time you have to submit the paper prototype, then you have to submit storyboards and scripts in place of your videos. And so, what are storyboards? They're basically sketches of the scenes, the different scenes in your video, so that you can plan ahead what your video is going to look like. And if you go to the course syllabus, you're going to find the link to this particular resource, which explains what is a storyboard, why make a storyboard, how to make a storyboard, and then it provides some examples at the bottom. So, of course, you can use PowerPoint to create your storyboard scenes and then save the slides as images, which you can then embed in your paper prototype. Or you could also draw within your paper prototype document. But there's also tools that have been specifically created for storyboarding, and one of them is storyboard.com. Another one is the storyboard generator by the Australian Centre for the Moving Image. Now, know your tool, figure out if they provide free services. If that is the case, how many storyboards you would be able to generate for free, and what would you be able to do when you're done with the storyboards? Can you share them? Can you download an image of the storyboard to include in your paper? Would you be able to make them private if you don't feel like sharing with the entire world? Do you have that option? So know your tool and what they offer before you sign up for any one of these. Your last resource is that you can actually draw them by hand and then scan them. If you do not have a scanner and you feel like taking a picture with your cell phone, for example, I just request that you make sure that they are very clear and legible. And so I may suggest an app such as Cam Scanner, which comes for the Google Android platform and also the iOS. And basically what this does is that you lay out your paper in a flat surface, and then you lay out your cell phone on a higher surface, flat as well. And the app has some guides that allow you to line up the document so that it really looks like it was scanned, and it doesn't look like it was a picture that was taken with low quality. So these are some tools that can help you if you don't quite have a scanner and you don't have any other resource but to hand draw your storyboards.